we will do a recap and understand even more of generative AI. And finally, we will talk about ChatGPT, see it in action. And we will see why suddenly there is so much hype about generative AI, why it is one topic that you hear about in every meeting, every LinkedIn post, every article on the internet. So let's go ahead, let's get started. So, guys, what is generative AI? As the name itself tells you, it's a combination of generative and artificial intelligence or AI. So, we are using AI to generate something. Now, AI is not a new thing. It came into origin long back and it is used very widely for tons of things. When we see ads on our mobile, or when Google Map tells us that we will reach our destination in 30 minutes, or when we see Tesla self-driving cars, those are all using artificial intelligence or AI, and these are what we call as the conventional AI systems. Now, generative AI goes even one step beyond and gives you generative capability, meaning that you can generate new content. So as you can see, I have some real examples for you. I can go to ChatGPT and ask it to write an email for me, meaning generate some text content. And it is not pulling this email from a file or somewhere. It is producing this text for me. It is generating this text for me. Similarly, I can use Delhi, which is another generative AI model, and ask it to generate the image of a cat for me, which is really a cute cat. Or I can go to GitHub Copilot, which is an extension from GitHub, and ask it to write a code snippet for me. And remember, in all these cases, I am generating new content. This content is not coming from any file or document. It is not being extracted from somewhere. This content is being generated. It is being produced fresh. And that's what generative AI is all about. So here is a definition of generative AI. And as you can see, it's an expansion of artificial intelligence capabilities. And the key thing, like I mentioned before also, is we are generating new content. We are generating images, we are generating text, we are generating audio, source code, videos, everything. The conventional AI systems that I mentioned a little while back, they are used to make predictions on data. They are used to categorize the data. They are used to find the sentiment of a sentence. And that is mostly analysis or prediction. In generative AI, we are talking about generating new content. So again, to recap what generative AI is, you are generating new content using artificial intelligence capabilities. And the content can be anything. It can be text, it can be image, it can be audio, it can be video, it can be code snippet, it can be much, much more. The key thing here is that AI is using this technology to generate something for you, to produce something fresh. So guys, this was a very brief 3-minute summary of generative AI, and I kept it very simple for now. As we proceed in the course, we will expand on all of this. I will tell you all aspects of generative AI in a very simple way. But really, to understand things in more depth, we first need to understand what AI or artificial intelligence is. How does machine learning work? Because these are like a precursor to learning generative AI. So what we will do is we'll go into the next video and learn about AI, machine learning, deep learning. And then once that is done, we will have some more fundamentals sorted out. We will come back again to generative AI and understand it in even more depth. So let's go into the next video. I'll see you in there. Thank you.